Hey everybody, Lady Cheryl here with Miss Princess Bria, and we are packing up our in order, our 6 candles. You buy 5, you get 1 free, and this is what they look like right here. They're in a decorative glass black jar with a wooden top, and I hand pour each of these soy wax candles myself, and they have the precise amount of essential oils of lavender, lemongrass, and hibiscus. And they're very soothing and calming to you, and that's why I named the scent Peace. So let's get back to the special. I'm offering 5 candles for the price of 6, and I'm individually wrapping them. I'm not going to take this completely out so that you can see it, but it's with bubble wrap, and then I put it in tissue paper and crinkle paper to keep it all tightly in position while it is being transported to you. And Cyber Monday, we were offering a free hand sanitizer as well. So this lady will receive 2 boxes like this, and there'll be more crinkle paper that'll go around here. Thank you, Bria. And to keep, everything secure. You want to come get some paper right here, sweetie?
Yes.
Some crinkle paper? Yeah, right here. Okay, I'm gonna bring it over here, and anywhere that you see a gap. And we're also putting in an individual card for each recipient, a thank you card, and the person can sign it. I'll just give you an idea, okay? All right. So this special is on my website, probably for a couple more days because we're selling out really fast. And they will get 2 boxes with 6 10-ounce natural soil and essential oil candle for the price of 5. And Monday, if you ordered it before midnight, you got a free sanitizer, which is a purifying hand sanitizer that I make. Everything is made with love in my kitchen, and this hand sanitizer also has the same scent of the Peace candle, and it also has aloe vera oil and gel in it to soothe and moisturize your hands. And we're also offering the same special with our creamy body butter. If you buy 5, what are you pointing? Bria is trying to do something like The Price is Right. If you buy 5 of them, you will get 6, and then they'll all be in individual packages. Now, I can send these to the recipients of your choice. All you have to do is email me. In this case, I guess the people are getting them locally, so she had me to send them all to her. So check out the website, LadyCheryl'sProducts.com. Thank you. Bye now.
Bye now.
Okay. So as you can see, Bria is packing and making sure we don't have any gaps in our boxes so they won't be rattling. And of course, we have tissue paper and bubble wrap in each individual candle. Bria, you can get some more of that shredded paper, crinkle paper, and pack this a little tighter. Now this one is packed very well. It won't rattle. No, the green paper, sweetie. Not tissue. We don't need any tissue. Yeah. Come on. Good girl. Come on.
Paper on one side.
One side is enough because these boxes are really, really wrapped well.
Yes.
Okay. What did you say about the way we pack our orders?
We use Prime to making and packing our orders.
You use Prime? You said we take pride.
We take pride to making and packing our orders.
Very good. Thank you, sweetie.
Hi.
Brian is here to pick up Bria just in time for me to get all these orders to the post office. You had a good day in school?
Yes.
Say bye to everybody.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye now.